Oh my god, dude! What's up, guys? So I have the keys to this E92 M3 that I just finished filming the comprehensive review on. So I'm gonna be filming a POV drive right back to the owner's house. Literally a second into driving a BMW and I'm already getting Christmas lights on the dash. Let me tell you guys something. The footage that I took today driving this car was, well, is insane. And we definitely got some good outside exhaust shots. There's really not much to talk about there. Oh, wow, check it out. That just pulled out of the Homestead Miami Speedway. Trying to get a better look at it. Yeah, it's really nice. There's just something so damn beautiful about driving a manual transmission, high revving European V8. I mean, it's just so fucking awesome, man. The review that I got coming for this car is incredibly comprehensive, and it is going to detail not only how it's like to drive, but how it's like to own, costs of maintenance, and really just other people's perspective on the car. The closest review style that I can really give to you guys as an example will be up here in the cards above for the Camaro SS that I did. That is basically the best platform layout, in my opinion, for my reviews or that I've done so far. So hopefully you guys will enjoy that level of attention to detail and just overall content. The current exhaust setup right now is an MPE, which is a factory optioned exhaust system, and a secondary cat delete. And that is how we get that beautiful OEM Plus style exhaust note for the naturally aspirated S65 V8. Great. Yep. Let me pretend this is the Nürburgring. Verdammt. Now would be a really good time to talk a little bit about the E92 M3 lore that this car carries. This is actually the third time that I tried to review this car. The first time that I reviewed it, honestly, I wasn't very content with the footage, and man. I really thought that I could do better. This car deserves justice. I mean, this is a very, very, very special car, not just for the owner, but for hundreds of thousands of enthusiasts around the globe. I mean, for God's sakes, this is the first and last M3 with a V8. I mean, this deserves so much better. So I tried it the second time. The second time, I was fairly content with how the outcome came out. But guess what? My hard drive broke, and all the footage that I had on it disappeared. My God, the third and fifth gear, I always confuse it. 1, 2, 3. No. Fine. Ooh, what a great downshift. Holy shit. He was on my ass, dude. That has to be the Genesis 5.0, 100%. God damn, dude, he's reeling me in hard. I need to see who my ops is. If this is the V6, I'm gonna be so disappointed. Guys, I don't know Genesis. I know usually the other one says 5.0, but I mean, I hope that's not the oh my God, imagine. Oh my God, it's the 3.3T. Oh my God, dude, this car's so slow. I mean, it sounds so good and it's just such a fun drive, but damn, dude, straight line is not its thing. God, I ride my Harley with this shit, boy. I gotta do that one more time, boys. Oh, Jesus. Oh, it is so much fun to drive this car. Okay, fine, it's not a good straight line car for sure, but man, does this drive so nicely on some turns. This car's so fun. I'm gonna get into more details in the review, what I feel makes it so fun, along with the other features. But man, if you were having second doubts, maybe after watching my review, which I don't think you will, but if you did, this video is gonna change your mind. All right, guys, so we are approaching my boy's house to drop off the car. Go ahead and hit the like button if you found this video informative and somewhat entertaining as well. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you guys enjoy my content overall. And last but not least, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more E92 M3 content.